Hi guys, Brian here, the physical therapist assistant here at Harrison Physical Therapy, back with another exercise of the month for you guys. And today we'll be going over how to use one of these at home. Today we will be going over how to safely and effectively use a foam roller in your own home. While you may think it'd be more beneficial to roll back and forth on the roller, it actually has no added benefit to help relieve tightness. Instead, to effectively use the foam roller, roll back and forth on the muscles you'd like to target until you find a tight spot. Once you find that tight spot, hold it there for 30 seconds before rolling back and forth again to find the new spot. This pressure will allow the muscle tightness to release in the area you are targeting.